Welcome to Math Minders Academy. If this is your first time joining us and you are yet to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Like, share, and comment your thoughts on this video. Let's go. Today, we are going to look at another solid shape. Guys, the shape is showing on your screen. There's a solid shape showing now on your screen. What name do we call this shape? Can you guess what's the name of this shape? This is a circular base pyramid. This is a circular based pyramid. But you know, this circular based pyramid has a special name. Can you figure out the special name? 1, 2, let's go. This circular based pyramid is called a cone. It's called a cone. So today we shall be examining the properties of this cone. We'll be looking at the vertices, we'll be looking at the plane surfaces, we'll be looking at the curved surface, and we'll find out, does it have edge? Does it have edge? So let's move on now. Looking at this cone, do you think it has edge or side? Remember, we mentioned that the edge is the boundary between two plane surfaces. Can we say that boundary between two plane surfaces? Yes, there's a boundary between the circular base, or as we position this cone, right now, the circle is up. So look at the top. Of course, you will see that there is a boundary between that circular base and then the curved surface. Let's look at that. So you can see that the curved surface and the circular base all have a boundary, and that means a cone has an edge. A cone has one edge. All right. What about the face? How many faces does it have? Well, we can see 2. One is a circular face, which we call the circular base, and the other surface is a curved surface. So a cone has one circular face and one curved surface. This curved surface is called a sector. This curved surface is called a sector. Good. Now, let's go back to our shell. And we ask again, does it have a vertex? A vertex is a corner where 2 or more lines meet. Can we count that corner? Where 2 or more lines meet. The pointed part of this solid shape, it has just one vector, just one vertex. Can we see the vertex? Yes, we can identify the vertex. That is the vertex. So we've been able to explore the properties of a cone. Do you recap? We mentioned that a cone is what? A circular base pyramid. And we also said here that it has certain number of edges. How many edges? Can you guess? 1. A cone has 1 edge. What about the surfaces? How many? It has 2. It has 1 circular surface and 1 curved surface. What about the vertex? Where we have 2 or more lines meeting. How many? That pointed part. Just 1. A cone has 1 vertex. So guys, this is how far we can go in today's tutorial. We've been able to explore the basic properties of a circular base pyramid, otherwise called a cone. Next time, we'll look at another solid shape, and we'll be discovering the properties of this solid shell. Be with us in our next class. If you have not subscribed, we employ you to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon so that when next we produce a video, you'll be among the first to get it. Share, like the video, and go to the comment section to tell us what you feel about this video. This is Maths Minders Academy saying goodbye for now.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught